Oh yeah, straight from eBay. The camber arms is officially here, so now we can achieve the wheel fitment that we need. Ooh, nice quality too. This feels like straight quality. These are from, come on, EM USA. I had these on my Civic before and I didn't have any issues with them, so I got them again. Came in a nice little box. Some washers, locking rings, and this here is supposed to go through the center. Oh, right here. Wait, it's supposed to go through the center. One of these damn centers. I don't feel like doing that right now. It's hella late right now. But super excited about this. So I'm probably gonna bring this with me tomorrow because I might be meeting up with JR again. So we'll see. What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K. And today we got the big CCW wheels in the back. Gonna go take it to get fixed, and hopefully it doesn't need to get resealed. I got some great news coming in, some good things about to happen. A lot of shit happened over the weekend that I'm not telling you guys until it actually happens. But I will say one of the best news that I got so far is that your boy got approved for his new place. Your boy's officially moving out and gonna live on his own, dog. Alright, I'm super excited. Like I said, I got so much blessings this past weekend. It is crazy, dog. It is crazy. But back to the grind. We're back at work right now, but like I said, I gotta get this CCW fixed. I wanna be able to take the S2K out. I wish I was able to take it out today because it's actually really nice outside. I want to wash the car so bad. It's salt everywhere, bro, everywhere. But I've been doing really well this month. I've gained a lot of new subscribers. Your boy's almost about to hit 30,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video right now and you haven't already, please subscribe to your boy. Drop a comment down below, even if it's a dot. Just drop a comment down below and leave a like. All right, just leave a like and drop a comment. I need my engagement to go up and stay up. But like I said, I gotta get this wheel fixed, and then we'll be able to get the S2K back out. Well, really, I have to figure out what's wrong with the battery, because now that I think about it, I did change my battery like a year ago. So I think it's definitely the alternator that's going. So I'm probably gonna end up having to buy a new alternator. I'm gonna see how much that costs, probably over the weekend. I'm off tomorrow because tomorrow's Christmas Eve and then the next day is Christmas. So probably since I'm off tomorrow, I'm gonna go check and see if we could get the S2000 checked out to make sure everything's good. I'm starting off the video with the little subtle interior upgrade that Vanessa got me. The JDM steering wheel emblem. Gonna turn it to red and get rid of this chrome one. This right here is just little subtle pieces. I also got some more parts in the back seat back there. But I need to move my car over to the side because I'm gonna be jacking the car up today. These aren't that expensive. You probably could find it on eBay, like 10 bucks or so. But I guess she had asked me to send my cart to her, so I sent it, and then she ended up getting it for me. And it has like a 3M backing on it. Nice and clean, 3M backing, and you just overlay it right there. Boom. And boom. Nice. No more of that silver shit. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to try to install the rear upper control arm, so that way I'm able to run my CCWs. Not really in a rush to run the CCWs, but it'd be cool to know if there's like a car meet like today is really nice out. Not that nice out, but it's nice enough. And I'm able to put my CCWs on and make them fit properly. So I'm gonna try to attempt to get this on. I might not be able to do it because of my tools and the location is kind of hard, but we're gonna try. Alright, so I got a hammer in this little bar here. I put some WD-40 on it just so that way it's a little bit easier to go in. Ah, shit hurt my knees. Alright, so being that I don't have a C-clip, or what is that? Whatever, I think it's called a C-clip. I don't have a C-clip installer. I know Jermaine has one, and I have to go up by Jermaine's anyway because Vanessa is getting something done with her Lexus. So I'm gonna just put the C-clips on and try to install it at Jermaine's house. But for right now, I think I'm gonna try to put on the CCW so you guys can see it. For those of you complaining, I officially took the caps off. I'm probably gonna spray them black or something, so that way it's not rusty. But I got this side on. Ooh, ooh. It's always a little iffy when you're driving on a new set of wheels because you don't know how it's gonna react. But so far it's so good. Just got Vanessa's car. We're about to head up to Maine's house real quick. I really want to put these arms on because it's like the car is not able to air out all the way. Oh, y'all trying to get me copyrighted out here. Alright, we just pulled up. Vanessa about to get the rear brakes done. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Blueprint Auto. Blueprint Auto, he about to record and show you guys how to change brakes on the Lexus F Sport. I mean, all the intel that you ever need, you hit this guy up. Vanessa back there shivering. Wow, they already look like spotted or pitted.
It's because they didn't have no oil on it. It's just been sitting on the shelf that long.
Alright, so I got the first locking ring on. Now I have to do this side. It's actually harder than I thought. That's Jermaine back there beating on the rotors. What?
They didn't have a sticker on it, left and right. I'll put this. How you want it to look on your car? This way?
Just match whatever it is on the front.
Is some on the front already?
Are they all drilled and slotted or no? Alright, I got it on there. What do I need? This. Probably like a 14.
Boy, struggle. I'm Milwaukee.
Word.
Sound like you got something.
No, I don't think it's a 14. It might be a 13.
Nah, unless it's aftermarket. Is it aftermarket?
I don't think so. No.
Hold up.
I mean, it's tight on there, but it's tight slipping.
Nah, cause using this universal, you need that direct shit. You don't fuck that shit up.
That boy got that Uber Eats delivery.
Nope.
Got some chips, a boy. You know what I mean? What up? Let's open this up. Woo! Yeah.
Hear this guy?
Alright, now you take out the inside piece.
That's the hard fucking part. Here you have it. The rusty one. Let's see the comparison. Alright. So this is the stock one. This is the brand new one. I mean, way better. This has adjustability. This doesn't.
Yo, what do you got?
The gasket should be on the jack stand. Man, son, all this salt in here, but look at that new ice blue in there. But oh my god, all this salt. I gotta power wash underneath here. But passenger side down. Now we just have to do the driver's side, and we should be able to air out on top.